The historic moment which India has waited for more than a decade is finally beckoning. Dream of one nation, one tax concept is on the verge of realization as the goods and services tax kicks into force from midnight. The new tax regime dismantles interstate barriers for trade in goods and services. The much-awaited announcement will be made in the presence of President, Prime Minister, Union Finance Minister, besides members of both the Houses of Parliament and other prominent dignitaries at the gala event organized in Central Hall of Parliament. Chief Ministers of all the states, members of GST Council and judges have been extended special invitations. President, Prime Minister and Union Finance Minister will address the function too. Reminiscent of India's tryst with destiny on the midnight of August 15, 1947, Prime Minister's address is being called as Tryst with GST. In this way, this will not be a session but a celebration. After rigorous efforts of over 18,000 hours, GST Council formulated 5 new laws. Consensus was reached between state governments and political parties on concerned legislations. Parliamentary proceedings over the last 3 years since NDA government came into power have indicated that there is a scope to support economic reforms, keeping aside differences of opinion to ensure development of the country. Amidst all contradictions, the ruling as well as the opposition side gave their assent to the constitutional amendment bill.
GST जैसा बड़ा रिफॉर्म उसको भी सरलता से करके दिखलाने देना ना, तो आज पूरे विश्व की स्थिति में ये जो स्ट्रक्चरल रिफॉर्म्स करने की क्षमता सरकार ने दिखाई है और सरलता से करने की दिखाई है.
This would be the third occasion in the history of India when a special program is being organized in Parliament at midnight. First was on midnight of 14th August 1947 when a Parliament session was called to announce the independence from British rule. Second time, a special session of Parliament was called to mark Golden Jubilee of Independence, where legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar and Pandit Bhimsen Joshi had performed. Today, when history repeats itself, a new chapter of economic independence will be written. Consumers will for the first time get a measure of the total central and state taxes levied on a product, bringing to an end the host of hidden and embedded taxes they were paying so far. It is expected to gradually reshape India's business landscape, making the world's fastest growing major economy an easier place to do business. With Bureau Inputs, Sudhakar Das and Rajesh Raj's report, DD News.